Hey guys, my name is Fiona. In this video, I'm going to show you the basically working principle for this EPS pelletizer machine. This is the crush machine. The waste EPS material will through in the hopper here. After the material being crushed, it's using a fan to blow this EPS bean to this hopper. They have a main X installed in this hopper, so the material will dropping. This is as you can see, this is a removable plate. It can control the size of this inlet. After the material is get into this first stage, it will melting and it will extrude from this first stage. And this is the second extrude. And this is our screen filter. This is a screen exchanger device. It was driven by this hydraulic system. And as you can see, this is a menu button here. You can pull and push to control this filter move up and down. So when the filter goes down, you can manually replace this screen into this filter device. And it will having this water tank from this way, and this rat will be cooling by the water inside. So that's pretty much everything for this simple machine. If you have any other question, please let me know. Thank you.